Dagger lead, come in. Do you read?
Dust clearing. Cave structure seems stable, but our connection's choppy.
The cave's disrupting the signal. Tech is glitchy, but we do have your locator. When you find those blades, we'll be here to dig you out.
I'm counting on you.
Entering the antechamber now. There's something here. Scanning. Looks like an infernal commander surrounded by, I don't know, angels maybe? Corpses everywhere.
That'll be you if you're not careful. I nearly didn't make it last time. Had to fight weird shadow things and slimes, and then that tunnel collapsed when I left.
Yeah. I've been meaning to ask how you found the blade in here all by yourself.
Well, I'm not sure I would have, except... It's hard to explain, but I could just feel it.
Tara, this look familiar?
The blades!
Oh, there was a tremor just now. The others are here. I can feel them too.
We got company. Make it fast, Dagger lead.
On it. Dagger lead out. Let's get to it. Finding a path. Heading there now. Here I come. Why wait? Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. What have we here? Beeline. Finding a path. Heading there now. Here I come. Why wait? Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. Making a beeline. Finding a path. Is the blade causing this? Here I come.
I don't remember those glowing when I came through.
Where? Oh, got it. I'll make them pay. Making a beeline. Finding a path. Heading there now. Here I come. Why wait? Quick time. Where? Oh. Making a beeline.
Oh, wow. Mara, I've run radiometric scans of these engravings. They're thousands of years old.
Here I come.
Hold up. You're saying the Infernos have been here before? Like, ages ago?
Some kind of reward? Finding a path. New room. Suyin?
Same. Follow the light and don't die.
Where? Oh, got it. Making a beeline. Finding a path. Heading there now. Here I come. Why wait? Quick time.
Dagger lead. Wolf made it to the distress beacon. Down transport. Lots of wounded.
Trip. Get to Wolf and help with the evac. Heading there now.
Copy, Commander.
Here I come. Why wait? Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. Game over. Making a beeline. Finding a path. Heading there now. Game over. Here I come. Why wait? Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. Making a beeline. Finding a path. Heading there now. More markings.
I've seen these writings before. I even started translating. Need to consult my notes.
Still wrapping my head around infernals. In ancient times, did they create this place?
Finding a...
No. But whoever did never wanted these blades to be found. This entire area used to be underwater.
Oh, I remember this. Gotta open the door.
Heading there now. Here I come. Let's end this. Why wait? Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. Death wish granted. Making a beeline. Finding a path. Heading there now. Here I come. Why wait? Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. Making a beeline. Finding a path. Heading there now. Taking him down. Here I come. Why wait? Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. Making a beeline. Finding a path. Heading there now. Here I come. Why wait? Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. Making a beeline. Finding a path. Heading there now. Here I come. Why wait? Where? A new marking.
Found some of my notes. These are the oldest records of the first invasion I've ever seen. Priceless.
You know, it's rarity, not age, that sets the value of antiquities. You're hopeless.
Quick.
More rune activations. I'm pretty sure.
Making a beeline. Finding a path. Heading there now. Why wait? Time to pay. Time to pay. Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. Making a beeline. Finding a path.
Repeat, Commander. Do you copy? Red right hand is inbound. Far more than we can handle. And no contact from Wolf.
Nope, okay. Get everyone you can to a safe distance.
Our forces are under attack.
We can't just leave you in there. Find a way out and let us pick you up.
No, I'm not leaving without the weapon. It's all or nothing. Now pull back. That's an order. Once I find the blades, we'll figure out the rest. On a beeline. Finding a path. Heading there now. Following. Here I come. Why wait? Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. Making a beeline. Finding a path. Heading there now. Here I come. Why wait? Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. Making a beeline. Finding a path. Heading there now. Here I come. Why wait? Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. Making a beeline.
I believe the inscription here reads, "Your greatest enemy awaits."
Here I come.
I was never in this one. You ready for anything?
Where? Well, this is new. You only hurt yourself. Let's see about that. This is not a battle you win. I refuse to lose.
Your greatest enemy is yourself. Clever.
On a beeline. Finding a path. Heading there now. What happens now? Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. Making a beeline. Finding a path. Heading there now. Time to raise hell. Here I come. Game over. Why wait? Game over. Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. Making a beeline. Finding a path. Death wish granted. Heading there now. Here I come. Why wait? Time to pay. Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. Making a beat. Heading there now. Here I come. Why wait? Quick time.
I think Infernal's busting in has changed things. I don't know how much I can help now.
Finding a path. Heading there now. Here I come. Time to raise hell. Why wait? Quick time.
This is Wolf. They've got me boxed in. Too many wounded. I can't move them all.
New trip is inbound to...
Too late. They're...
Wolf! Damn it, we gotta finish this! Here I come. Why wait?
We join the cycle.
I'll make it pay. Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. Time to raise hell. More markers.
Okay, I think this says the demise of Mordegon.
Make Mordegon.
He's described like a god, wielding a star of death.
Gods don't die. We're close now. Be ready for anything. Heading there now. Here I come. Why wait? Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. Making a beeline. Finding a path. Heading.
Pretty sure I could fund the war effort with this stuff.
Don't even think about it.
Quick, enough, you two. Some of this could be useful, but time's wasting. Where? Oh, got it. Making a beeline. Finding a path. Heading there now. Here I come. Why wait? Quick time. Where? Oh, got it. Making a beeline. Found them. I found the blades. So it has a name. Thronos.
Daggerly, what's happening?
I'm here. I have it. Trip, what's Wolf's status?
Over across site now. Multiple casualties. No sign of Wolf.
Annoying insects. That weapon does not belong to you. Mordegon's glory is mine.
Time to raise hell.
Drop that weapon, and I'll make your death quick.
Finding a path. Heading there now. Here I...
Enough! You have only prolonged your suffering.
Beeline. Finding a path. Heading there now. Here I come. I wait.
Always hated.
What?
Impossible. Your friends will pay for this.
Daggerly, you there?
I'm here. I'm okay.
I don't know what you did, but the Infernos are bugging out.
Trip, come on back. We're going after Malok. I'm not leaving Wolf to die. We may still be outnumbered, but we're no longer.